a new initiative to teach coding and artificial intelligence to every student. The world is moving towards digital, and technology is bringing tremendous changes in the life of human beings. The way we live, learn, and work are changing. Artificial intelligence, robotics, Internet of Things are disrupting various industries. To ensure that the students are well equipped to face the challenges and tap the opportunities of the future, the visionaries of the school have started a new initiative to teach coding and AI to all students. This project is implemented by adopting the CyberSquare curriculum and online learning platform by a UK-based company. This approach will help the students to improve their coding skills, cognitive skills, creativity, etc. And they will eventually shift from users of technology to creators of technology. The school will be conducting an annual event, Digital Fest, tech projects and presentation by students to showcase the talents in the technology space.